In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Chime credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are going to have the option to apply for a Chime credit card on the latest version of their mobile app. So all that you have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store and download or update the Chime mobile app. Inside of the app, sign into your account and on the home screen, access the settings icon that you can find at the top left corner of the screen. Immediately upon going into the settings, you should be able to find the credit builder card listed at the top. If you do not see the credit builder card as an option, that means that you are not eligible for the credit card that Chime has to offer. You can try calling their customer support and talking to them on your eligibility, but for the most part, if you do not see it listed at the top as I highlighted here, unfortunately you will not be able to use a Chime credit card, so keep that in mind. But as long as you see this option listed at the top, immediately upon selecting Try Credit Builder, you will be able to start the process of applying for a credit card and transferring money from your checking account into a credit builder account that is going to be created for you to use alongside the Chime credit card. You will be able to transfer money from your checking or savings account into the credit builder card account, and with the money in that account, you can use your Chime credit card to manage your purchases. You can access the settings of that specific account that was just created at any time, and you will find information related to your card and other options in there. As long as you do this process through the latest version of the mobile app, you will be able to activate the new card that you got, view the details, and use it to make purchases whenever necessary. Make sure that the credit builder card account always has balance and you can start using the Chime card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Chime credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.